Yeah, so this is going to be a real quick and simple website. This is the all products page, and this is the part two of our e-commerce website. You can see here it's not a lot of code. So we have our header right here with the navigation with our cart. And we also have this select right here where you can sort the different products and how you want them to be. So you can sort by popularity, you can sort by price, you can sort by sale or ratings. And yeah, we have also this right here, this like title, all products. And now you can see the different products. And then we also have our footer. If you're new here, my name is Sam and we do programming tutorials and also tech videos. So subscribe to the channel, like the vid, and yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, so the first thing we're going to do here, I'm sure you see this code. This was the part one. And if you haven't watched the part one, go check that video out so you kind of understand what we're doing. So this is a new page. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll go to our file explorer and we click on this icon right here to create a new HTML file. And we'll call this file products.html. And we have our products.html. I'm going to create a doc type just like before. The title of this all products and then the name of the website, which is Fanatics Ecom website. Next, we go to our HTML file right here and we copy all these links because we're going to need them. Then we put it on the head, save it, and also copy our CSS link because we need to take that over here too. So we don't need to restyle most of the stuff. And the next in the head, I'm just going to copy paste the code that we used right here. What we basically did is we used a lot of code from our index.html file. So you can see we have the header here, and then we have the container, we have our logo right here, and we also have our nav links. So when I save this and I actually use live server, you can see it right here, and it's looking really good. But we just need to do some side links because basically we have all this in our index.html file. So I basically just copied and pasted them. Into this products.html, but we need to style them to make it look just a little bit more better. In the index.html file, you can see we created a select and we gave it different options. And we also created a all products. And in the options, we have default sorting, sort by price, and all the different selection options. Then the next thing is we just copied and pasted all our products from the index.html file, the brand new products and also the products, but we didn't copy and paste. We didn't take over the testimonial. We didn't take over the categories, and we also didn't take over the offers. So you can see it right here, and then the footer is just exactly the same as our index.html file. We didn't change anything in the footer. Now, so let's go to the CSS. And now the CSS for the all products, I'm just gonna copy and paste it right here. You can see right here, I put a comment, all products, and inside it, we have a row, we give it a justify space between. That's why you can see there's space between the selection and also all products, which is the h2 tag. Another thing is we give the selection a border. We gave it 1 pixel solid and also gave it this color, added some padding to make it bigger. And we also gave it the select focus and we said outline none. And why we did that is because when we selected sometimes, what happened is that the outline became black. So by making that selection outline none, when we select, it stays the same color. That's why we did that. And we give the page button. And what is the page button? The page button is this right here. This page button is us being able to go from one page to another. I know a lot of e-commerce have that. And then after that, we also put an arrow. And this arrow just showed that if you want to go more. So let me show you what the page button is. When you go down, this is the page button. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the arrow. So that's the arrow right there. We give the page button a margin of 0 auto 80. We also give the page button a span display inline block so they could be in a straight line. and also border 1 pixel solid, a margin left 10 pixels, a width and a height to make it have that dimension, text align of center, and then a line height of 40, and then of course a cursor pointer. And after that, we just had added a hover effect. So basically turned the background to this color right here, and then the color of the text to white. So you can see right here, when we hover on it, it changes to white, and then the background changes too. And you can see the dimension 40, 40. And yeah, that's really it for this products page. Really simple and nothing too complicated. Just added a select, added this right here, put a space between, and then we added the products. And then we also put this right here, which are just basically span tags with 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the last one is an arrow. And then we did nothing to the footer. And yeah, that's it for this video. Short and simple. Hopefully you like it. I'll leave the GitHub for this code right here down in the comments below. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yeah, I'm gonna wrap things up and keep things moving. See you in another YouTube video.